Hey everyone, welcome to our newest location. I am super stoked to show you all around and talk about our store design. With all of our spaces, we try to create a new and different experience. With this space, we really wanted to continue being different and bring forward a dominant yet welcoming space. A space that demanded attention, a space that was masculine, a space that was different, a space that really wants you to come back and be excited about. Music, music. Music really inspires us. As you all know, music is a universal language. That's why you'll find traces of musical artists and pieces throughout our store. Just like music is a universal language that everyone can relate to, fashion and style have the exact same effect. That's why our design and our decor and the details in our store are inspired by music. Another theme you'll notice in our store is the usage of vintage decor because we wanted Adesso to be timeless. We wanted to be a timeless brand, so we're inspired by all generations past. You'll notice some really incredible artwork in our stores, some beautiful black and white images that are timeless, iconic, full of passion, all which really represents who we are as a brand. We're passion driven, and the people exuded confidence in their art. These people in these picture frames really exuded confidence, and that's exactly what we wanted to project with our products. With the inspiration behind this store, we knew we wanted to play with earth elements such as wood, cement blocks, live plants, fake plants. We just really wanted to really tie in that whole earth feel to it. But one thing you'll notice with our shop is that we always have that one color accent. Now, what color is more dominating than red? It's energetic, it's passionate, it really represents determination. It's something that you're always gonna remember. And that's something that we really wanted to resonate with you when walking into our shop. So when designing the layout of the store, we take into consideration several factors that are important for our customers. First things first, the decompression zone right in front of the store. This is important for transitioning customers from outside the store to inside. It really helps give customers that mental shift. We kept a 10-foot distance from the front of the store to our front table to really allow our customers to breathe and take in the store. We did a grid floor plan for our stores. That's because it's easier for our customers to navigate through the shop and help accommodate a higher foot traffic. In a grid layout, merchandising is made easier because you can create more segments in space to display products. It helps our customers be more exposed to the products in the store. Giving our customers personal space is really important to us, especially when designing stores. The last thing you want, especially with the time that we're living in right now, is to have people in your personal space. We kept our aisles wide to help our customers have some space and for them to discover the incredible line of products that we carry. So we got really lucky with this store that this store already came with slat walls. Slat walls are one of the best things you can really have in your store. They're versatile in the sense that if you ever want to change the store layout, you can simply clip off the shelves and readjust. You're not really bound to one store design. So we're really counting our blessings on this one because if we're ever bringing in more apparel, bringing in more product, you bet we're going to be changing up the store design and the layout, and it's really going to be for you. It's really important that we create a comfortable space for all of our customers. We really want you to feel like you're at home and provide an experience that is going to make you want to come back. That's why you're going to see an incredible lounge area right in the back of our store. So you guys, this is the new Adesso store. Super stoked for you guys to come check it out. We're here at Market Mall in Calgary. See you guys soon.